When it comes to tackling the garden, however big or small, at home or on the job, one thing's for sure. The right tools make all the difference. Whether you're a professional or simply home in the garden, Makita cordless garden power tools are always right for the job. With over 70 LXT cordless garden power tools, from line trimmers to lawn mowers, hedge cutters to chainsaws, Makita have all your needs covered. The Makita LXT range. Get the tools, get it done, with the same batteries. As like the 270 plus products in our LXT range, all Makita LXT cordless garden power tools take the same 18-volt battery and chargers, which means no having to find the right battery for your tool. And fast charging means you're ready to go in less than an hour. Plus, battery power means lower noise and vibration with zero emissions, leaving you free to work smarter without having to worry about trailing cables, finding power outlets, or breathing in petrol fumes. All you need to do is charge, click in, and get on with the job. And because they're from Makita, you know they won't let you down. From the big jobs to keeping things tidy. Browse our range of cordless garden power tools now and find the perfect partner for your next project. Work easier, work faster, work Makita.